back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at Baileymstewartmanagement. And today's video is a very exciting video. It's sponsored by BOANDTEE. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have done BOANDTEE reviews before and they reached out and wanted to collab, so I'm so excited. Thank you, BOANDTEE, for sponsoring this video. This video is going to be all about BOANDTEE and the Black Friday sale. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. That way you can get some really cute styles, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like 60% off. It's gonna be up to 60% off. It ends November 25th, so take advantage of the sale. Get you some really cute gym activewear at a very affordable price. Now you guys know I've reviewed the Megan Grubb collection. That collection is mwah. I absolutely love Megan Grubb's collection, so I wanted to venture out and get some new styles. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so the first set that I got that will be on sale is going to be, or is the Batch top, dark gray, and I got it in an extra small. So it's just this cute ribbed gray workout crop top. It's very stretchy, which is why I usually size down in BOANDTEE, just because their stuff is very stretchy, so you can get away with it. And this is 92% nylon, 8% elastane. It's got like this 3/4 zip. Sorry, you can hear my dogs. They're chihuahuas, they bark all the time. Also, if I'm currently sick, I have a little cold, so if I sound or look kind of off, that is why. But we're gonna push through it. Yeah, and then it's got this like thicker ribbed band at the bottom, and then it just says BOANDTEE. And then I got the matching, I gotta wait for my dogs to stop barking, they're getting on my nerves. And then for the shorts, this is batch A. So I guess you just type in batch for, I'm not really sure. But again, it's dark gray. And I don't know if this is gonna fit, y'all. I'm nervous. So definitely size up in the shorts. It's still stretchy, but it doesn't have as much stretch as like the Megan Grubb collection, so I definitely should have gone to even a medium. I like to go bigger on shorts just to give me more room and make it a little bit longer, so I would have, I don't know what I got. I'm nervous. So the tie is just for design. It does not cinch nothing, but it is still very cute as a set. Like, this is so cute to wear to the gym. Becoming that girl, like, yes, love it. So it's got this like thick, really thick ribbed waistband, and then the rest is ribbed as well. It's got a gusset, so there's no camel issues, but I always have like an outline. It is what it is. I don't care. Blot proof, you're good. I mean, obviously don't wear like crazy neon hot pink colors, but I think you're good, like especially with like neutral. You ain't gonna see. You can squat all day long and nobody gonna see nothing. So okay, so here is the top, the little gray 3/4 zip crop top. I don't know, but it's very cute. It is very comfortable. I love that you can like have it down or even up, like if you want a little bit more coverage. Like, I mean, I want something, you know. I think it's more flattering if it's like almost all the way zipped down. Anywho, yeah, it's very comfortable. It's very stretchy, so extra small is fine. It digs in a little bit right here, so I probably should have gone to a small, but I'm fine with extra small. Shorts definitely should have gone to like a medium, to be honest. I feel like they're gonna keep rising up, but I mean, this is a super cute set, let's be honest. Like, if I go into the gym, like, yeah, this is a very cute set. I just feel like these are a little too short for me, so this could be like a workout at home set. I don't know. In the summer, I'd even like run errands in this, but it's cold out right now, so I don't know. But yeah, I love, there's not much like bunching right here. I don't have any camel issues. I love the little like tie right here, and I just think as a set it's so cute. And honestly, I can't even remember what I got. So next we have the Batch B dark brown, extra small. So they're just shorts, ribbed shorts similar to those, except this ones are a little bit longer. Like these are probably more biker length, and it doesn't have that like fake tie. But it's like this reddish brown, almost looks burgundy, but it's supposed to be a dark brown. I don't know, it's still a really pretty color. It's got a gusset. I think it's like a little bit bigger than this, but they're the same size. Again, the rib material is pretty thick, so I should have sized up. It is what it is. Again, squat proof, you're good. And yeah, the back looks like this. I love where it hits me. It's a very comfortable length. Okay, so here are the dark brown ribbed shorts. It's very stretchy, so like I have room on the waist, but not much room on the back side, to be honest. So I definitely should have sized up and then just dealt with a little bit looser of a waist. They're a really nice like fall short to wear, especially if you live somewhere warm but still want to dress for fall. I feel like they make the leg look really good, and like I don't know, I like the way my hip dips look in them. A lot of people don't like hip dips, but I like hip dips. But yeah, overall, really nice. And then next I got the Batch A beige leggings, and so these are like these are really similar to like Megan Grubb's first launch, where it was like ribbed tan leggings, except this like right here isn't ribbed. It's only the waistband that's ribbed, so you get good tummy control, and then the back just kind of has that like detail that they always have where it's like a triangle, just kind of scoop. It's got a gusset. It has no front or back seam. It is very stretchy, so I think this one is going to be more flattering than Megan Grubb's first collection with them, like that was like super ribbed, just because I felt like it kind of like pancaked because of, and like just wasn't as flattering because of the ribbed right here. So I am happy that these aren't ribbed right here. So yeah, I'm very excited. They're super stretchy, so you can definitely size down on these. And I feel like that'll prevent like baggy, like extra fabric in this room. So yeah, definitely snag you some of these. And this just got this little BOANDTEE logo right there. Very cute. We'll try them on and see how we like. Okay, so here are the tan leggings, which are similar to the Megan Grubb collection, except this part right here is not ribbed. So they are a little snug. I definitely could have gone up in size, but I do like the tummy control. There's not much bunching, which I like right there. They have stretch, but in certain areas like the thigh, it's a little restricting, which is why I should have sized up. I'm 5'4", and it comes to like right at my ankle. Alright guys, so that is all that I have for this BOANDTEE try on haul. Thank you so much BOANDTEE for sponsoring this video. I love your products. I buy from you guys all the time, so to be able to work with you guys is so exciting. So thank you so much. Again, guys, don't forget the Black Friday sale ends November 25th, so snag you some cute workout sets for up to 60% off. Take advantage. I already have my list of everything I need to get for Black Friday. Don't sleep on the BOANDTEE Black Friday sale. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below your favorite set or what you plan to snag. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!